Feeling bubbly today? Well, why not try this bubble cake? Cool, ain't it? Want to know how to make it? Well, you just get some melted gelatin and add some food colouring. Mix it up, and then we're going to dunk in a balloon. That's right, we've blown up a balloon to a small size. We're going to chill that, and once it's set, you just snip the end of the balloon so it pops and just remove it. And you're left with a gorgeous gelatin bubble. Do that in a variety of shades. And get some sponge cake. We have made ours bright pink with food colouring, of course. And we're using different sized circular cookie cutters to just cut out holes. So you get this kind of Swiss cheese effect. You can use any shape you like. Why not try hearts or stars? Now we've got a basic vanilla cake, which we are layering with buttercream icing. Pink, of course, but we're using light pink this time. Different shades of the same colour are always really effective with these things. Smooth that over. We're sticking on our pink sponge cake to cover the outside using a toothpick to make sure it stays on. Those are nicely hidden there. And then just put your colourful gelatin balloons on top. And there you go. It almost looks like that foam that you used to pack things with, doesn't it? Slice it up, and there you have it. Bubbles for all.